So over here, you can see that I am in the Strikingly piece, and whatever interface you see right here right now is in English language. But what you can also do is change around the interface language as you please. So for that, you can simply go to your dashboard of Strikingly, and then over here on the right hand side, top right hand side, you can see it's written EN. So this is where you can choose your language. So there are a few selection of languages right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and select Spanish right here, just like this. And once you go ahead and do that, the page will refresh. You can see that it says ES, which represents Spanish, and you can see the change right here. If I were to go around and refresh out the editor now right here, just like this, let's just go ahead and refresh. You can see that all the settings and everything is Spanish now right here. Similarly, you can go ahead and choose other language as you please as well. Well, let me just go around and select English right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it'll simply get back to English right here. I can simply go around right here and refresh. And once you do that, what happens is that you get it back into English right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and change out the interface language inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.